Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Steve and Blue from Blue's Clues. Grab your markers and follow along with me. We're going to start with two eyes first. I'm going to draw a flat little curve and I'm going to make it round on top. And we repeat the process on the other side. Flat little curve, round on top, and a little button nose between the eyes. Now for a little smile. Next we're going to draw the irises and the pupils. With light reflections. Let's color the pupils in. Right above the eyes, the eyebrows. I'm going to make two little lines and then I'm just going to make it nice and thick on top. Now it's time for the jawline. And let's do the forehead. So I'm going to start on both sides. Just going to make it nice and curvy and bring it back to the jawline. Now we can draw the ears on both sides. And then the other one. And we'll make the inner ear as well. Just a hook inside. Right, now I'm going to start with the fringe. Just make a little block, bring it down, take it past. And on this side I'm just going to go past, just there, and maybe make a little square shape. Now we can do the top of the head. I'm going to make a piece of hair standing out on this side, and I'll do the same on the other side. And now I'm just going to follow through. Bring it back to the ear. Do the same on the other side, just a bit different. Bring it back to the ear. Now we can do the neck. And now I'm going to do the collar. I'm going to make a line there, make another one there, take it past, bring it down. Bring it up, and there we have a collar. Now on the other side we'll do the same. We'll just make a little collar like that. Few buttons, square, and you're going to draw two buttons in the square. Now we're going to draw the torso. And right beneath the torso, we're going to draw a little belt buckle. We can draw a rectangle and another rectangle shape, both sides. And now we're going to draw a belt. You're just going to link a line between the belt buckle and the... Now we can draw the legs. Just going to draw two little legs going in, and then we're going back to the top. And now we're going to draw the shoulder with the arm and connect it. Shoulder, arm, forearm, connected to the body. A little sleeve, both sides, hand, and now we can do stripes on his shirt. Now we can finish off. Right here in the middle I'm going to make a nice dot. I'm going to draw a little line for his pants. And from this dot I'm just going to make a half circle, both sides. And I'm going to bring it up on both sides. It's going to be his pants. And I'm going to bring it back to the knee. A nice curvy line back to the knee. There. We're just going to draw the little pants again on the inside. Connect it. Now we can draw the shoes. And the soles of the shoes. Now we can draw a few little blocks in there. Now next to Steve, we're going to draw Blue. I'm going to first start with a little nose, a nice mushroom shape, and right on top of the nose, 2 button eyes, and inside we'll draw the pupils with 2 little light reflections. Right above his eyes, the eyebrows. Now we can draw the mouth. So first I'm going to start with the jaw. I'm going to draw a small little jaw and I'm going to connect it to the lips. Then I'm going to bring it out, sort of like an hourglass shape. You can draw a little spot on his face and maybe a little spot on the other side as well. And now for the ears. So I'll do the inner ear and I'll connect it to the face. This side I'm going to do the inner ear, connect it to the face. And then the ear. And we can do the same thing on this side as well. And we can draw a little spot. And I'll draw another spot in there. And maybe a little spot here as well. Now for the leg. First of all, I'm going to draw his back, and I'm going to draw a little tail, and the ear will go down there. Make a spot. Now for the leg. Front leg, 3 toes, chest, front leg, back to the body, and here maybe there's another front leg. And there's Stephen Blue. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.